Hello students, today you're going to take Cornell notes. Go ahead and write the title, Parts of a Microscope, Part 2. And today we're mostly going to focus on the microscope parts that we didn't talk about last time. Remember, just like any video, pause it if you need more time or rewind it. Alright, let's begin. So for number 1, write a slide. We mentioned it last time, but a slide is a piece of glass or plastic that holds a specimen, which is like a piece of an organism, couple cells, maybe a cell. A slide is like it's a piece of glass, and you put it on the stage, which is the stage is remember this square black part here, and then you can kind of see it in the picture. But this glass piece right here that are interchangeable, that's the slide. Go ahead and make up your own question for one. Make sure you have a question for each one. You have to make them up by yourself. The next one, right? Parts of a microscope continued. I'm going to point the mouse at it so you can label it in your notebook, but take a minute to just write that sentence down and then also draw another microscope again as best as you can. If you need to pause the video, this is a good time to do it. Okay, let's move on to the parts. Letter A, lenses. The lenses are parts of microscopes that increase the magnification. How strong they are depends on usually how long they are, and also you can see the cells or anything you're looking in the slide with more magnification. So you can see that this microscope has 1, 2, 3 lenses. Some microscopes, like the ones we have 4 lenses. And like I said, those increase in strength. Some of them you need oil to use because it gets so close to the slide that it can break without that oil. So please don't move them until unless I tell you which ones we're using for that lab. Okay, moving on to another part. The coarse focus knobs. The coarse focus knobs are they used to get you the slide in kind of a general focus. Like you just kind of move it around slowly until you see like a blur, and then you start using the other one, the fine focus knob, to get it really sharp. So in this microscope picture and labeling your drawing, this big one that's usually the bigger wheel, this moves the stage, and the coarse focus knob you go slowly kind of up and down until you kind of see like a blob and a blur, and then you're like, okay, it's kind of in a general focus. And then you use the other one, the smaller one, the fine focus knob, to get it real sharp. You go really slow. The microscopes we use have these two together. For example, this fine focus knob will be within the wheel of the bigger one. So if you look up in front of the class, if the microscopes are up there, you'll see that the wheels are kind of interlocked. They're both together. In this picture, though, they're separate. So for now, coarse focus knob, make an arrow to this one. And that's to get into general focus. And then the fine focus knob, that one is used to make the picture come to clear focus. And like I said, that's the smaller wheel here. All right, go ahead and make a sentence for number 2. And then go ahead and finish up by creating a summary and an advanced question. All right, have a great day.